Introducing the Mangar supine transfer system from Winncare, the home of inflatable medical devices. Manufactured in the UK, the supine transfer system consists of the Mangar Rhino lifting cushion, Mangar Swift transfer slide, and Airflow Duo compressor. The Rhino and Swift both have a safe working load of 500 kilograms. The Swift transfer slide enables healthcare workers to transfer and reposition patients with minimal moving and handling force. The markings on the top of the Swift and Rhino show where patients should be positioned for optimal safety during a lift. Once the patient is positioned on the Swift, the shoulders should lie in line with the top arrows. The Rhino lifting cushion lifts patients in a supine position from the floor to the height of a bed or trolley. Before beginning the transfer, the safety straps should be connected, and always ensure the arrows on the Swift and Rhino are aligned. The Swift and the Rhino are both inflated using the Mangar Airflow Duo compressor. The Airflow Duo can be used with battery power, or using the supplied mains power adapter. This unique, state-of-the-art air pump has been designed and tested by AMRC, part of Sheffield University. The Mangar Swift inflates and releases air through the small holes in the base, to reduce the force needed for the transfer, while providing a stable, safe experience for the patient. The hole pattern on the bottom of the Swift is designed to reflect patient morphology. After transferring the patient onto the Rhino using the Swift, disconnect the safety straps from the Swift and reconnect them to the Rhino before inflation. The Mangar Rhino inflates section by section to raise the patient to the desired height. The Airflow Duo will produce clear visible and audible signals identifying when each layer of the Rhino is fully inflated. The air hose clicks onto each valve and is hands-free during inflation. The supine transfer system has been tested for optimal ergonomics by the Attic team, part of University of Wales. This ensures optimum back safety for the hospital workers and comfort for the patient. The material and straps are made from antibacterial materials for ultimate hygiene control. Once the Rhino is fully inflated, the safety straps can be disconnected from the Rhino and reconnected to the Swift transfer slide. Always ensure the brakes are applied to the bed before commencing the transfer. The Airflow Duo has integral hooks for hanging on the back of a bed during use. Raise or lower the bed so that it is slightly lower than the surface of the Rhino. When transferring a patient between surfaces, a patient transfer board may be used to assist with the transfer. An individual risk assessment is required to determine if this is necessary. The supine transfer system can be used with a spinal board if required. Connect the hose to the Swift and ensure the Swift has fully inflated before moving the Swift. The Swift takes less than a minute to fully inflate. Once the patient is on the bed in the desired position, remove the PAT slide and then deflate the Swift by disconnecting the hose and turning off the Airflow Duo. When the Swift is deflated, raise the bed to a suitable height to prepare to remove the Swift from under the patient. Remove the safety straps so that the Swift can be taken out from under the patient. The durable, lightweight ripstop material of the Swift means that it can be easily folded and removed from under a patient. Roll the patient to one side and tuck the Swift material against the patient's back. Then roll the patient onto their other side and remove Swift completely. The supine transfer system can be used in tight spaces like a corridor so the patient can be lifted safely and with dignity wherever they fall. The battery-powered Airflow Duo compressor allows you to easily lift a person if they fall outdoors or nowhere near a plug socket like in a car park. Always ensure the numbered sections of the Rhino are inflated in sequence, starting from the bottom section and working upwards. To achieve the correct height, you may use the lifting cushion without inflating all 4 sections. To deflate the Rhino in an emergency in order to perform CPR on the patient, ensure you always deflate the levels in the correct order from top to bottom to maintain stability. The Rhino lifting cushion takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes to fully inflate. Once no longer in use, the Rhino and Swift can be easily folded and packed away into the roller bag. The entire supine transfer system, when packed into the roller bag, weighs under 20 kilograms in total.